First, spray alcohol on the window frame and wipe off dust and grease with a cloth. Second, stick 2 centimeters of tape along the window frame. Stick one section at a time, pressing down firmly at the edges to prevent loosening. Third, measure the window frame dimensions. Leave a 5 centimeters margin on the film and cut neatly along the line. Fourth, starting from the top, align the adhesive. Tape with the film. Then stick the other 3 sides. Fifth, set the hair dryer to medium heat and blow dry the wrinkles from a distance of 2 inches from the film. Blow evenly across the entire window. Finally, trim off any excess film. The entire window is completely wrinkle and bubble-free, blocking the cold while allowing light to pass through.